Visual Studio Code is a free, lightweight code editor from Microsoft. You can use it to write, debug, and manage C# projects on any platform. Let us set up your C# environment. Go to code.visualstudio.com and download the VS Code. It is free and works on Windows, Mac, or Linux. Install it, then open VS Code and click the extensions icon. Search for the C# dev kit and install it. Next, download the .NET SDK from .NET.microsoft.com. Get the latest version and install it. The SDK is the software that you need to build and run .NET apps. Run the .NET version in a terminal to confirm. That's it. Setup is complete. Next, we're going to write the first C# program.